Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Here I will explain material about validation the pharmaceutical industry. The first validation in the pharmaceutical industry. Understanding validation, a validation of the proving in the appropriate manner so that each material process, procedure, activity, system, equipment, or measurement used in a production on and supervision can achieve the desired result. Validation in the pharmaceutical industry. Validation is part of the quality assurance program as effort to provide a quality of efficiency and a quality and safety of pharmaceutical industry product. Validation include at least four main area in the pharmaceutical industry, namely hardware consistent of from instrument, production equipment and supporting facility, software in the form of everything document and work system, mechanism in the pharmaceutical industry, analytical method and system suitability. Validation has a very broad scope and covers almost all area in the pharmaceutical industry, starting from personnel, starting material, active ingredient, additional ingredient and packaging material, facility, equipment, machines, building, and system or work procedure. The implementation of validation is limited to only those carried out internally. The scope of production is only making medicine, while others are a complement of the implementation of the validation process, so it's a collide with pharmaceutical validation. The next validation, broadly speaking, the implementation of validation in the pharmaceutical industry is divided into three. That is, the one, pre-validation, consisting or qualification of mechanism, equipment, and facility support, as well as validation of analysis method. Process validation consisting of production process validation and validation packaging and cleaning validation. 3. Validation consistent of the periodic review, change control, and revalidation. Validation principle. There are three parts. The one, qualification, personnel, equipment and system, instrument and measuring tools, validation, instrument and measuring tools. Validation purpose, the one, identify critical parameter. 2. Determine the acceptable tolerance limit or age parameter critical. 3. Providers and method from monitoring critical parameter. Next. Validation. There are 5 part the goal. Goals 1. Meet CPOB proficiency. Goal 2, granted that the production process is carried out correctly and safely. Goal 3, avoid error or reduce the risk of deviation that may occur minimum possible. Goal 4, reduction unnecessary process can save costs. Goal 5, granted the reproducibility of the process carried out. Types of validation. three types. Type 1, process validation. Type 2, validation of cleaning. Type 3, validation of analysis method. Next. 1. Process validation. Validation is an act of proving in the appropriate manner that each material process, procedure, activity, system, equipment, or mechanism used in the production and control will be able to achieve the desired result. Process validation objective 1. Provided right documentation that the procedure are applicable and used in production process, always achieve the desired result constantly. 2. Reduce problem that may occur during the production process. 3. Minimize the possibility of reworking. The next. Process validation is divided into 3. A. Prospective validation. Validation of the manufacturing applied before the product is released on the market. Free market validation. Usually, it takes the minimum of batch, excluding trial batch, to show the expected result. B. Concurrent validation. Validation carried out while carrying or routine production process for sale in accordance with prepared and approved protocol. C. Retrospective validation. Validation of the manufacturing process for product that have been marketed and do it away. Evaluate batch document that have been prepared based on protocol and have a provider sell and in accordance with preferred and approved protocol. Next, validation of cleaning. Cleaning validation is an active to prevent the risk contaminant the cold harm patient and aim at cleaning. Validation active is about the effectiveness and consistency of the series of cleaning. Purpose of cleaning validation. Cleaning validation aim to prove the cleaning process can effectively remove residue from previous product, residue from cleaning agent, and microbe from product, equipment, and to the avoid cross-contamination. Cleaning validation need to be carried out for tools that come into direct contact with the product. For equipment that does not come into direct contact with the product, I need assessment and carried out first. Whether cleaning validation need to be carried or not. There are two sampling methods that can be used, namely direct surface sampling using the SWAB method and indirect sampling using a rinse solution. Next, 3. Validation of the analysis method. Validation of the analysis method is an assessment of certain parameters based on the laboratory experience of approved the test parameter meet the requirement for their use. The purpose of validating of analytical method is to approve that all analytical method procedures are valid used in testing and quality control, always achieve result desired consistently. Validation of the analytical method is generally carried out 4 stages. A. Identity test. B. A quantitative test of content purity. C. Impurity limit test. D. A quantitative test of the active substance in the sample of the substance or drug component. Certain. Next. The last conclusion validation process. Process validation is the one of the mandatory requirements that must be met by very pharmaceutical industry in producing medicines in one from the implementing the lean manufacturing concept by carrying out correct and operative process validation for a product process the complements can directly prepare the emergency, the residence process, and the reworking. The result of the process validation that have been received and completed are stored in the batch packaging record, and other supporting document must be implementation by all departments related to the process manufacturing with complementation integrity. Thank you for attention. Sorry, there are any wrong words because I'm still learning. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.